Welcome to Asharfa English.
How can I help you today?
I want to open account.
What account do you want?
I need a savings account.
Do you have your ID card?
Yes, I have it with me.
Do you have a passport photo?
Yes, I brought 2 photos.
Can you fill the form now?
Yes, I'll fill it now.
Do you need help with form?
Yes, please guide me here.
What is your full name?
My name is Olivia Parker.
What is your home address?
It is 44 Garden Street.
What is your phone number?
My number is 012340.
Are you in a job now?
Yes, I work as teacher.
What is your monthly income?
It is around $2,000.
What is your date of birth?
I was born in April 2002.
What is your marital status?
I am not married yet.
Do you want a debit card?
Yes, I want a card.
Would you like checkbook?
Yes, I would need that.
Do you want mobile banking?
Yes, that would help me.
Should we send SMS alerts?
Yes, please send alerts.
What is your email address?
It's olivia@email.com.
How much will you deposit?
I'll deposit $50.
Do you want internet banking?
Yes, please enable it.
Do you want account guide?
Yes, please give me one.
Would you prefer online access?
Yes, I prefer online access.
Did you bring the utility bill?
Yes, I brought it.
Do you have nominee details?
Yes, I brought the form.
Who is your nominee?
His name is David Brown.
What relation is he to you?
He is my elder brother.
Do you have his ID copy?
Yes, it's with me here.
Is this your first account?
Yes, it is my first.
Have you used any bank before?
No, this is my first.
Do you want joint account?
No, I want single one.
Would you need family account?
No, not at this moment.
Do you know the bank rules?
Yes, I know them.
Are you aware of charges?
No, please tell me that.
Do you know minimum balance?
No, how much is it?
It is $100.
Okay, I can keep that.
Do you want QR payment too?
Yes, that would be useful.
Will you use ATM often?
Yes, for money withdrawal.
Would you change your PIN now?
Yes, I want to change.
Have you selected your PIN?
Yes, I set 4 digits.
Do you want account statement?
Yes, monthly one by email.
Do you prefer printed statement?
No, email is better, please.
Can you sign on this form?
Yes, I'll sign it now.
Do you want welcome letter?
Yes, that would be nice.
Would you like help again?
Yes, if I need it.
Do you use smartphone daily?
Yes, for banking as well.
Do you use WhatsApp too?
Yes, same number is used.
Do you use other banks?
No, this is only one.
Do you want to invest?
No, maybe in future.
Do you have any loan?
No, I have no loan.
Is your income fixed monthly?
Yes, it is fixed amount.
Do you pay tax regularly?
Yes, I do pay taxes.
Will this account get salary?
No, it is for saving.
Do you want account limit?
No, normal is good enough.
Do you know what IBAN is?
No, what is that, please?
It's an international number.
Okay, please show me that.
Do you want passbook too?
No, I don't need that.
Will you use banking app?
Yes, I'll install it soon.
Can I help with the app?
Yes, please guide me now.
Will you use ATM today?
Yes, I want to try.
Have you used ATM before?
No, this is first time.
Will you do online transfer?
Yes, I need that too.
Do you want fingerprint login?
Yes, that will be easy.
Do you need loan info too?
No, not at this time.
Do you want a locker too?
No, I don't need it.
Did you understand everything?
Yes, all is very clear.
Do not share bank details.
Okay, I'll be careful.
We are happy to assist.
That's very kind of you.
See you again very soon.
Yes, see you again soon.
Like, comment, share, and subscribe.